Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to append text to a file and display the text. So given a text as input to a Python program and also given a file name as input. So your task is to append the given text to a file, that is existing file, and display the text. So that is a problem statement. So let's get started. So let me take a text variable and use the input function call to ask a user to enter text. Yeah, so once the user enters the text or a string, so it will be stored in this particular variable. So now let's try to take a file name variable in order to store the file name. Yeah, so let's use the again input function call to ask user to enter file name. Yeah, so once the user enters the file name, so it will be stored in this particular variable. So now let us try to open the file using the with command and open the file with the append. So with, let's use open, that is we have to provide the file name and we have to open this in a append mode. So let's use as file descriptor. So once we are done opening a file in a append mode, so let us try to write the text contents to the file. So yeah, so let us try to fd.write. So we have to write the text contents to the file. Yeah, so once we are done, so we have to display the text. So let us try to display the text. So let's use a print function and let's try to directly display, let's say given text is, so let's use colon and let us, or let's say dot dot dot, and in the next line, so let us try to print the text. And also we have to try to write the contents in the next line. So let us try to add a slash n character plus the text. Yeah, so the property of opening a file in append mode is if the file doesn't exist, so this will generally create a file as well. So let me try to execute and let's see how it works. So running the program, so enter a text. So let's say hello and the file name is hello.txt. So you can see given text is hello and it has created a file that is hello.txt in my left panel. So let me close this and try to open this. So you can see hello has been created, but it has appended a slash n. So this is generally it is referring to an existing file. So that's the reason it has appended in the next line. So let me close this. Let's keep it open and try to run it again. So this program is for the existing file. So we have the existing file over here, and now so let us try to rerun it. So enter a text. So let's say word and file name is hello.txt. So you can see given text is word and let me close this and let me open. So you can see hello and world in the next line. It has means it has written, or the it has generally appended. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to open the file in append mode and write the given text at the, that is at the end of the file, and finally display the text. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.